Hello students, welcome to Avid Education Academy. I hope you're all doing well. In the previous video, we explored physical and chemical changes. We discussed how substances can change form and what signs indicate a chemical change. Today, we will dive into an even more exciting topic: atoms, molecules, and the laws of chemical combination. Let's start with the atom. Have you ever wondered what everything around you is made of? From the air we breathe to the food we eat, everything is made up of atoms. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element. It is made up of three primary particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are positively charged. Neutrons have no charge. Electrons are negatively charged. Imagine an atom as a tiny solar system, with the protons and neutrons in the center, nucleus, and electrons orbiting around it. Atoms combine to form molecules, which are the next thing we'll discuss. आधारभूत रूप में एक परमाणु किसी तत्व के गुणों को बनाए रखता है. Now, what is a molecule? A molecule is formed when two or more atoms chemically bond together. For example, a water molecule, H2O, is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Molecules can be made of atoms of the same element or different elements. For example, oxygen molecule, O2, two oxygen atoms bond together. Water molecule, H2O, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom bond together. मॉलिक्यूल तब बनते हैं जब दो या दो से अधिक परमाणु आपस में जुड़ते हैं. Next, let's move on to the laws of chemical combination. The law of conservation of mass states that matter can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. The total mass of the reactants, starting materials, is always equal to the total mass of the products, end result. For example, if you burn a piece of wood, the total mass of the wood and oxygen used in the reaction will equal the mass of the ash, gases, and heat produced. इसका मतलब यह है कि रासायनिक प्रतिक्रिया के दौरान पदार्थ का नाश नहीं होता है, बल्कि वह नए रूप में बदल जाता है. Now let's look at the law of constant proportions. This law states that a chemical compound always contains the same elements in the same proportion by mass. For example, water, H2O, is always made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, no matter how much water you have. The proportion of hydrogen to oxygen remains constant. Another example is carbon dioxide, CO2, which is always made of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms, no matter the amount. यह कानून बताता है कि किसी रासायनिक यौगिक में तत्वों का अनुपात हमेशा समान रहता है. So, let's quickly recap the two important laws we discussed today. Law of conservation of mass. Matter cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. The mass of the reactants equals the mass of the products. Law of constant proportions. A chemical compound always has the same elements in the same proportion by mass. That's all for today's lesson, students. I hope you now have a clear understanding of atoms, molecules, and the two important laws of chemical combination. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting lessons. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. In our next video, we will dive into chemical reactions and equations, a very important topic. Stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.